Well, here we are again with Project Element. We did not film the other day when we took the car up to get it inspected. We should have filmed taking it up, bringing it back, but we didn't. We did take it to a local place here in Owings Mills, Maryland. It's Pleasant Hill Service Center. They've inspected every car we've bought since we've been here, and they've been great. Just want to show you what it failed on the inspection and what we need to have done. Lawrence, if you want to come over here. If you could see on here, it says spring suspension components failed. It's the rear sway bar bushings and rear stabilizer links. Now we've already purchased new ones on Amazon. We'll put a link on for them. Also, the exhaust tailpipe flange and the muffler rusted through and leaking. We've also ordered them on Amazon. We'll add a link. It tells us here that on our brakes, our front rotors have some rust and our rear pads need to be replaced. We haven't ordered them yet. The front rotors, we'll probably just clean them up because that's all they really need. The car's been sitting for like 6 months before we purchased it. It says for the tag, we had one light out. We've already purchased the new bulbs. We'll fix that this evening. Then we have here wiper blades. I told you about that. We already have the blades, but they're bad because the windshield's broken. Windshield's broken. The next thing it lists here, if you look here, it's the driver's seat is loose. We haven't addressed that yet, but there's some junkyards in our area. So they have a new front seat for 35 bucks. We're going to check them out and see if that will work, or we might repair this one. We got to see. And then the last item right here is the front lower engine stabilizer mount. We'll add a picture to show you that actually motor mount split. And now let's go in the car and we'll show you where some of these things are. As you see in the picture here, that is the front lower engine mount that's broken. The rubber's broken on it. We'll be replacing that. It's only 3 bolts that hold it on and 1 bolt that goes through the rubber. So that's that. And then we'll show you a couple of the other things here in a moment.
So while we're out here, guys, we bought the new bulbs for the, what do you call it, license plate or plate bulb. The bulbs are up under here. Kind of a, I wouldn't say weird spot, just awkward to kind of get to a little bit.
Especially when you have the license plate already on because the bolts are in the way.
And the size bulbs this takes are
tiny.
168. That's the number. I guess I think it's just a universal number. Any brand, just find 168 and they'll fit on the Honda Element.
All right, you want to go turn the
and
light
that's
on,
it.
see if that works?
What light do I turn on? Just
turn on the headlights.
Headlights.
That did not work.
And apparently the brand new bulb didn't work. I don't know why.
Keep it on.
Keep it on. What about now?
No, it still did not work. So
Still not working.
what I'll do is take the other one out.
It's probably an electrical issue. We'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, we figured it out. It just didn't want to, I don't know, the connections were bad. So we just wiggled the bulb around and it started working properly. Here you go. Both of them are on. This was the one that was out. Put the new one over here and put the old bulb over here. But it's working perfectly now. So what else were you going to show them?
Do we want to show them underneath real quick? The bushings and the sway links?
You can try.
All right, if you just show right here, Lawrence. Can you see right here?
Give me a minute.
This is the bushings that need to be replaced. We found a great link from Eric, the car guy, that showed us how to do these. They're relatively easy. So we've got to replace these. And then up in here, these things right, I believe it right here, they're called the sway bar links right here. We have to replace these also. And we've already ordered them with these, and both of these together was like less than 40 bucks. So we'll get all of them replaced. And when we do the work, we'll try to show as much of it as we can to you guys. Thanks again.
So as you guys can see, this is everything we have put into the car so far, including the purchase of the car. If you subtract out the $8.54 we found in the car the other day, the total amounts to $638.92. That pretty much wraps up the video for today. All the links for all of the parts mentioned in the video will be in the description down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.